Welcome to Employment and Education News.
This channel is only for you, so please subscribe the channel to know the latest update. It is free. 8 Assistant Officer Trainee Law Post Vacancy in Power Grid. Eligibility LLB or 5-year integrated law course. Age limit maximum 28 years. Age on 18 June 2022. Selection process Common Law Admission Test 2022. Application process apply online between 27 May 2022 and 18 June 2022 through the website www.powergrid.in with the details of CLAT 2022 application number, control number and roll number. Salary as per pay scale 40,000 to 1,40,000. 559 Head Constable Post Vacancy in Staff Selection Commission. Eligibility 12th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Age on 1st January 2022. Last date for application 16 June 2022. Salary as per pay level 4. Cantonment Board Maho vacancy for sub-engineer, junior clerk, assistant teacher. Eligibility 12th diploma in civil engineering. Age limit between 21 to 30 years. Apply between 1st June 2022 and 30 June 2022. Salary as per pay scale 32,800 to 1,03,600 for sub-engineer. 16 Civilian Switchboard Operator Post Vacancy in Chief Signal Officer HQ Eastern Command. Eligibility 10th. Age limit between 18 to 25 years. Age on 1st April 2022. Application procedure offline. Application should reach the office on or before 27 June 2022. Directorate General Border Security Force vacancy for SI Master Engine Driver Workshop, HC Master Engine Driver Workshop, Mechanic, Electrician, AC Technician, Electronics, Machinist, Carpenter, Plumber. Eligibility 10th 12th. Age limit between 22 to 28 years for SI Master Engine Driver Workshop, 22 to 25 years for HC Master Engine Driver Workshop, Mechanic, Electrician, AC Technician, Electronics, Machinist, Carpenter, Plumber. Last date for application 27 June. Central University of Rajasthan vacancy for Librarian, Deputy Librarian, Information Scientist, System Analyst, Private Secretary, Personal Assistant, Nursing Officer, Senior Technical Assistant, Junior Translator, Semi-Professional Assistant, Pharmacist, Statistical Assistant, UDC, Driver, Cook, Laboratory Assistant, Kitchen Attendant, Library Attendant, Laboratory Attendant. Eligibility, Master Degree in Library Science, Information Science, Documentation Science, ME or MTech in Computer Science, IT, BE or BTech in Computer Science, IT, MCA, Bachelor Degree in Pharmacy. Age limit maximum 57 years for librarian, 55 years for deputy librarian, 40 years for information scientist, system analyst, 35 years for private secretary, personal assistant, nursing officer, senior technical assistant, junior translator assistant, 32 years for semi-professional assistant, technical assistant, pharmacist, statistical assistant, upper division clerk, 30 years for laboratory assistant, LDC, driver, cook, MTS, kitchen attendant, library attendant, laboratory attendant, dresser. Last date for application 10 June 2022 and submission of hard copy of the application 17 June 2022. Application fees 1500 and no fee for SC, ST, PWD and women candidate. Central Institute of Plastic Engineering and Technology admission course for Diploma in Plastic Mold Technology, Diploma in Plastic Technology, Postgraduate Diploma in Plastic Processing and Testing, Postgraduate Diploma in Plastic Mold Design with CAD/CAM. Eligibility 10th Degree in Science, Diploma in Mechanical, Plastic, Polymer, Tool, Production, Mechatronics, Automobile, Petrochemical and Instrumentation Engineering. Last date for application 5 June. Walk-in interview in Defense Research Development Establishment for Junior Research Fellow. Eligibility MSc in Chemistry, MSc in Biological Stream, Life Science, Zoology, Biotechnology, Molecular Biology, Microbiology, Pharmacology, Toxicology, Immunology with NET or GATE. Age limit maximum 28 years. Date of interview 2nd June 2022 for qualification MSc in biological stream and 3rd June 2022 for qualification MSc in chemistry.